There are 25 people right now inside the Citibank that we're at right now. But this is a Citibank. What are you trying to get? He's trying to get?
Yeah. Oh, myself. What do you need the lawyers?
Yeah, but I need to call Connor inside.
Are you getting arrested?
I need to find out.
No, we're not getting What? A little bit.
Legal, yeah. It's being done. It's being done.
They're arresting everyone?
They're arresting? Okay.
It's being done. It's being done.
Get everyone's name. Get everyone's name and text me.
Call the National Lawyers.
Names and birthdays.
What's the number? What's the
I
number?
called the NLG. There's the number. I called them. They know that this is happening. Give her all of your names. Give her all of your names. And I will make
You were inside. You were inside with everybody else.
I'm a customer.
You were inside. Yes, but you were inside the whole time. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't be dominated right now! He's not doing anything! He's not doing anything wrong! Oh my God! This is wrong! This is wrong! What are you doing? It's wrong! Shame on yourself! Shame! You should be ashamed! You're disgusting! You're absolutely disgusting!
Fuck up! Get back. Let's go. Let's go. Well, this is a good